Hello and welcome to StaffSavvy. Today we will be introducing you to contract documents. This is where you can create the paperwork that is associated with the contract stored in the system. So this will become the terms and conditions sections that you then ask staff to sign. In this video we will discuss how to create a contract document, how to format your contract document content, and finally how to assign your contract document to a staff member. Firstly, to create a new document, first go to Pay, Contracts, and Contract Documents. To create a new contract document template, you click this button at the top here. You would give it a title, and you can have as many contract documents as you want, and each can be personalized before you issue it to a staff member as well. So if you give the template a title here, you can choose whether you want the document to have an automatic expiry. You can choose a fixed date, or instead specify after a certain number of days, weeks, months, or years. Or it might be one that stays in place and there's no automatic expiry. You can ask a staff member to sign the document again, automatically, or do not request a new signature. As a part of the latest update, you can also have the option to add a counter signature to the contract document. You don't have to, you can leave it as none, or you can put an image of the signature into the template. But if you want someone to go in and add their digital signature to it, you can choose to do that here. The counter signature is in addition to the staff member that you're issuing the contract to. This is somebody else that would need to sign it after that. You can choose an exact staff member. You would just type in their name there and select. You can choose the line manager of the signee, someone from a particular role, somebody in a particular team. It might be from the HR team, for example, or someone from an access level. So you might say that the contract document needs to be countersigned by a system manager, but it doesn't matter who, as long as they're of the system manager level. The next bit brings you onto the document template. So this is just a box for you to type in. Some people like to copy and paste their existing terms and conditions into this box, then tweak it, add or take away bits, or you can just start from scratch. I now will show you an example of what that looks like with one of the contract documents we already have got set up here. So, if I edit this one, you'll see in the template here, I've built in the terms and conditions here. You can format this as well. You can use all the usual formatting tools. You can create lists, numbered lists, ordered, or just bullet points. You can create a table, you can put a link in, and you can also upload an image. This is really useful if you want to put your company logo at the top, or if you want to add a digital signature signed on behalf of the company as well. So you can go through and copy and paste, or type in your contract document here. You can create different headings and titles as well. You've also got our dynamic content at the bottom, which is a type of mail merge feature. If you copy and paste the fields here, it means the system will automatically populate that with, for example, the date the contract is being signed, and if you put the signature box in, that will prompt a digital signature. We've got all sorts of fields here that might be useful for you to include. Here you can populate with the job title, the wage, and also any of your custom fields that you might have set up in your data sets and field sets. Once you're happy with your contract document, you can just click Save at the bottom, and that will bring it up on your list of contract documents here. When it comes to issuing a contract to a staff member, I will show you how to assign and customize that. First, you need to find the staff member's profile. Then, if you go to Edit Details in the Actions bar and choose Manage the Contract, you'll see you've got the option of documents here. You can choose a contract document, upload a document, or sign an existing document. For this example, I'm going to choose Contract Document. This will bring up a list of all the contract documents you have created. On the demo, there is just this one, so I'm going to assign that document. You can then preview the contract document here. That brings it up as they will view it as they'd come to read it, so you can check all the contract details. You can edit and customize there, or if you accidentally pick the wrong one, you can assign a different document there. If I edit and customize it, it then allows you to go in and type in any of the personalized details that you want to customize here. And then, when you're happy with it, you can just press save at the bottom, and that is confirming the content's updated. So that document is then issued to the individual for them to read through and add their digital signature to. That was your overview of contract documents. If you have any issues, please get in touch with the line manager at StaffSavvy Support.